Hi there, this is Burnley from BackaBuddy, and today I'll be guiding you through another step on our platform. I'll be showing you how to manage and edit your existing BackaBuddy campaign. Our platform is made to be flexible, so you can anytime make edits so that your campaign can stay up to date and impactful. So let's get started. So first of all, log into your BackaBuddy account, or if you're already logged in like I am, you can just click on your name. Then head over to My Campaign section. You can locate your campaign and click the small down arrow next to it. Then select Manage Campaign from the drop-down menu to enter the edit mode. So once you're in edit mode, you'll see that there are several options on the left-hand side, each accompanied by icon, allowing you to manage your campaign. So first of all, your campaign, you can edit your story, change or add photos, and adjust your target. Then verification, complete this process to ensure that your campaign is eligible for payouts. So you need to submit your various documents such as identification, which is your driver's license, photo, ID, or passport, supporting documents relevant to your campaign, so such as file police reports, letters from the ward council, or invoices or death certificates. Then also banking details. You can see that there's all the information that you need to add to that part over there. And then also proof of banking details, so upload evidence like a bank statement or screenshot or bank verification slip. So you can complete this verification at any time and only need to submit those documents applicable to your campaign. So just to remember that. And then please note that all campaigns will only be vetted once they have received their first donation. Then over to updates. So you can post updates that will be visible to anyone viewing your campaign. So donors love to see how their donations are helping you. So go into much detail as you can to show your campaign's progress. Be sure also to double check and triple check before posting, as the updates unfortunately cannot be edited or deleted. So withdrawals, once verified, you can request withdrawals of your raised funds. And then team members, you can add or also manage your team members who help you with the campaign. Then in the end, of course, there is close your campaign. So you can use this option when your campaign has completed its goal or it's ready to end. And remember to go through all of your information that you have added. And as I said, double and triple check just to make sure, and then click save to apply your changes. To help you improve your campaign, we've included some useful resources, which you can find linked in the description of this YouTube video. So first off, you have image specifications. So this is for best practices on uploading images to your campaign. And then how to write your crowdfunding story. We've also included tips for crafting a compelling campaign. And then how to create an effective crowdfunding video, a guide to creating a powerful video that resonates with donors. And then 7 effective ways to promote your crowdfunding campaign and get donations, with proven strategies to help you spread the word and raise more money. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to reply to the email, or you can contact your campaign manager. And don't forget to check out the BackaBuddy navigation playlist on YouTube for more helpful tips. Good luck with your campaign. Bye bye now.